Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
How you can create your model to classify the images using IBM Watson Studio. So this is your project. We will add a visual recognition service to this. Choose this one. After adding this service, it will open a window which will show you the two type of model. The first one is your custom model and second one is your pre-built model. If you have missed this lesson, please watch this video. So today we are going to use this custom model, how you can train your model and test it to classify the images. We will click on this create model. Here you can see it opened a window where you can rename your model. Suppose you want to classify the fruit images, you can keep your model name fruit. And here you can upload your zip folder with the different images name or classes. Like I have already uploaded the kids and the fruits. Once it's uploaded, you can click it and add to the model. So it will add the images and create two different classes like this one. This is your fruit and this is your kids. After the classes has been created with the different categories, you can click on the train model. After clicking on this, it will start training your model using these two classes, and it will start classifying these which is a fruit and which are the kids. So our goal is to detect the fruit. So what we will do after training the model, your window will look like this one, because when you will go on to the again training the after training your model on the project, you will see this window. Here it will list the name of your model and the every classes which you have uploaded. See, this is you have uploaded and this is your model. I have already trained my model for the fruit images because it takes some time. So I will show you after training model how it looks like. So we will click on this model which is already trained. It will show you the three tabs. This is an overview in which you will see the overview about the model, which class is there, and summary about the model. And this is your test tab using which you can do the model evaluation using the new images. So we will click on this. Here we will upload a new more images to test over data model. So we will click on browse and we will upload a new images here. The fruit images say that this one and this one. So this is showing you this one. Now you can see here on the left side, it already created a two classes. If I will create on this one, it's showing. And if I click on the zip, this one, it is belonging to these two classes. So it's saying to belong to the kids classes, it's saying 0%. And it's saying on the if we tick on this one, it's saying 92%, right? If I dislike this, this means this is not belonging to this one. 92% this image is belonging to your fruit classes. So this was how you can test your model which you have built using your fruit images. So this is a third tab for the implementation. If you want to embed API into your application during production, you can use these code. This is using your Ruby, Python, Node, Java, curl. So it gives you all options. So this was all about how you can create your custom model and how you can test it or train it using IBM Watson Studio. Thank you so much for watching this video.